I want to show you how to cook beef. So today we have our beef. It's for 23 rands. Tomatoes, onion, cooking oil, salt, vegetables. So we can put salt Right, we'll wait for a few minutes.
It's about to go. It's about to go. Your way.
Yeah, guys, today I'm cooking what, guys? Just guys, what I'm cooking today. Hey, it's done.
It's about to go, guys. It's about to go down. Here is our beef. It's about to go, guys. As I told you before, it's about to go now. This is our beef.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, this is beef without any spice. Just beef J. Guys, beef. Right. Baramba doko kwera yano ndi mavidio ngomdara. Kana musinga maziwe. They cook as it is written in the Bible. They cook as it is written in the Bible, guys. We do as it is written in the Bible. Ewa, Kokoyo mdara. Kokoyo, ewa.